Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a luxurious buffet experience in Singapore, Racines at Sofitel City Centre might just be the perfect spot. The word Racines in French means roots. As the name suggests, this is a buffet featuring a mix of French and local Asian flavours, where food reminds me of Singapore's humble beginnings. Come, let's indulge in the bottomless brunch boasting a wide variety of tantalizing offerings. Look at this spread: succulent prawns, fresh oysters and snow crab legs, perfect with a squeeze of lemon and some homemade sauces. Now over to the Asian section. You can't miss their signature noodle station where you can prepare piping hot bowls of laksa or beef pho just the way you like it. Racines is located in the heart of Tanjong Pagar, and the moment you step in, you'll feel the classy yet cozy atmosphere. They have an open concept kitchen, which means you get to watch the chefs in action. There are local favourites such as Singapore chili crab or the simple fried rice and noodles. If you're a meat lover, there are roast beef and char-grilled Australian rib-eye to satisfy your carnivorous cravings. What really impressed me was that there was a massive salmon in its entirety served on the buffet spread too. Of course, no buffet is complete without dessert. They have an entire section dedicated to pastries and tarts, and even local quiz. If you love classic French desserts, don't miss their signature macarons and crème brulees. So, is Racines at Sofitel Singapore City Centre worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're here for a special occasion or just treating yourself, this buffet is an experience. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to buffet must-have? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more food adventures. See you in the next one. Thank you for the invitation.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Absolutely no problem.